Okay, so in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can actually take profits this bull run because it is coming to an end pretty quickly and you guys will not be able to tell when the dips will start happening. And that is exactly what we're gonna talk about in this video, how to catch those dips and how to actually avoid them. Now, obviously, everybody is just talking about crypto right now because Bitcoin just broke $100,000. But what actually happens at this time is the market usually slowly starts dipping and all of you guys start losing money. I already took some profits, so I think I'm pretty good. But yeah, as I said, a lot of people just try to catch the very top of the bull run. Like the very, very top, like that is, I'm just gonna tell you straight up, that is not possible. And if you try doing that, like every other person in crypto, you're gonna lose all of your money. Most likely. So let's not do that and let's actually take profits along the way. I'm gonna show you guys how to actually do that right now. So let's hop into my coin market cap. Okay, and one more thing before we continue, if you actually want some market news and what's going on in crypto, feel free to follow me on Instagram and on YouTube as well. I try posting as much as possible. But yeah, as you can see, Bitcoin has actually just broke $107,000, which I think is the new all-time high. Yes, it is. Pretty good. As I've talked in the previous videos, once the hype for crypto starts coming back in, it's gonna pump a lot, same as it's doing right now. Obviously, we still are not in the alt season, but we are getting there really quickly. I imagine Ethereum is gonna also start pumping up as well. But let's get back to the topic. All of you guys will try catching, if we go to the last bull run, all of you guys will try catching these stops, and that's pretty much completely unlikely. And if you try doing that, you will lose all of your money, especially if you're getting into crypto just now. Because one thing you have to know is these early buyers that are catching these bull runs, the people that invested in these bear markets, especially in altcoins, they've already made like a 20, 30, maybe even a fucking 50x. Obviously, they will start taking profits and dumping on you if you try catching the very top. Because these dumps don't happen from retail, but they happen because of the early investors, because they actually start taking profits. So if you're throwing money into crypto right now, you will pretty much need balls of steel, definitely. But again, I think we will still go much higher, especially now that Trump is pretty much investing $15 trillion into crypto over the next 5 years. I think we could be seeing at least 130, 150, maybe even a $200,000 Bitcoin, pretty easy. But still, if you're throwing money into crypto right now, you will have to hold through these dips that come along. But one issue is that you won't be able to predict which one the very top is. So let me give you an example. In last bull run, you bought like right here, and obviously you held. We got this little dip. Okay, it's gonna keep going up. Got another dip. Oh, it's gonna keep going up. Another dip. Oh, it's probably gonna keep going up, but no, it just continuously goes down. Maybe we see a recovery like we did in the last bull run, but yeah, there's just so many dips. But the market just crashed after. But again, at this point you would say, oh, it's gonna keep on going up, but no, it crashes. Then it reverses a bit and you say, oh, it's gonna keep on going up. And it crashes again, and you pretty much just lost all of your fucking money. There's no actual way to stop it, but to actually take profits along the way. That's why these early investors don't have an issue with selling over here, 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 maybe even here, or maybe even here. So if you buy into the market right now, make sure that when you see good profits, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50%, maybe even at 2 to 3x, you take profits, because it's not gonna keep on going up forever. Definitely not. I think we are pretty far into the bull run now. If we compare it to the last bull run, I think we're like right here, somewhere in this point. I think we could be seeing like a 2x in Bitcoin, maybe a $200,000 Bitcoin, but it's still a bit unlikely. But we'll see though. I still remember when people were saying like there's no way Bitcoin is gonna go to $100,000, it's just a huge scam. But now we obviously completely blew past that. So as I said, just keep taking these profits, and not just in Bitcoin. Don't invest into Bitcoin. In the previous videos we talked about the alt season phases. Make sure you guys go check that out, where I actually explain why not to invest in Bitcoin right now and why you should invest into the altcoins. Now if we look at Sui, obviously I think it did an all-time high today. Yeah, it did an all-time high today. That's wild. I bought in at 60 cents on 8th of August. Obviously I'm taking profits along the way. I'm not waiting for the very top. Same thing you should be doing. If you buy crypto right now, make sure to take profits as soon as you see some profit. Don't take everything out, but just take small profits along the way. That's pretty much how you can actually avoid those huge losses that never get a recovery. But how do I know when the actual top of the bull run is? Well, here's the thing. You fucking can't. As I said, just take profits. But yeah, as I said, most people start investing when the hype gets in, as it is right now. And then what happens is they laugh at these dips. Like they invest over here, goes up, dips a bit, haha, it's gonna keep on going up, dips again, haha, it's gonna keep going up, and they just continue saying that, and then the market just dumps on them. So that's like the most usual thing that happens. So take profits. But yeah, as I said, Trump has invested a lot of money into crypto recently, and I think we could be seeing a massive pump. So I think it's still definitely not too late to get into crypto. I hope you at least understand that you cannot actually catch these very tops, and don't wait for the very top, because you will not catch it. If you ask any whale or any big investor that just threw a lot of money into crypto, they will not be waiting for the very top. Let me give you an example. If these big investors have a portfolio of $1 million, they most likely cannot afford to lose 25%, which is not a lot in the crypto market. I mean, it's moving so much. We're literally seeing 20, 30, maybe even 40% moves in a day. That's it for this video. Remember to keep taking profits, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.